got it, Zoe. Alright, Kate, get in. Yep. I'll get it. Just try yours. If you need help, I'll help you. Hop in. Well, let me get you a little closer. Watch out. Hop in. Ready? They're fastened down, Caden. Yep. Gonna do some island camping today. Got my kiddos with me. Zoe in the green, Caden in the blue. They've never been kayak camping, so an experience for everybody. We're here at Hickory Star Marina in Maynardville, Tennessee. We're going to paddle out to a few of these islands out here and find somewhere to camp for the rest of the day and the night. Maybe do some fishing. Either way, we're going to have fun. What? Come on. This way. How are your paddle grips, Zoe? They feel good? What, baby? Little lock paddles, just to kind of coast. Last time I kayak camped out here, I paddled out to Island F. It took me right at 2 hours to get there. I don't think I'm gonna make the kids go that far. It'd be a little cruel. So we'll find an island on the way, set up camp, and then might do some fishing. crazy amount of money that some people do. I got mine and my daughter's Tamarack for $550 for both of them. My son Caden is in my 10-foot Pelican, the first kayak I bought. I fell in love with it. Mine's always sit on tops, Caden's gonna sit inside. What, Zoe? Well, we've made it to the island where we're gonna camp. Now we just gotta find a spot on it to set up camp. Morse Lake is very clear. One of the cleanest lakes in the area. If not the cleanest lake in the area. It's pretty deep. It's over 200 foot deep in spots. There's the marina, you can still see it, so we didn't actually go very far. Far for 9 and 10-year-olds, so we're still going to have a blast though. She can't hold 3 boats, Kate. She can't hold 3 boats. This is a good spot. Hammocks everywhere. Yep.
Two, one. Okay, now watch me. Now I'm going to take you to the Okay, I go right behind. We'll do it. I don't know right behind you. Oh my. Got it. Ready? Ready, set, jump! That was pretty good.
Got camp set up. Hammocks. Rain flies. Got 2 hammocks in this one. Nice little area. That's okay, it'll dry. Fire pit. Gonna get a fire going here in a little bit.
It really does. No, this is lake water. Wish me luck.
Turn it upside.
Daddy, wish me luck. I am about to jump in.
Go.
degrees right now. And it was a lot colder. I ended up snatching my son from his hammock and throwing him in mine. It was that cold. I got up earlier than the kids. Got a fire going because I know they're going to want one when they get up.
Say hi to the camera. Oh, that's rude.
Get in. Just hope you don't flip. Potable water, not potable, and both. Alright. I know where we're going today, so I know we're going home, so I don't expect that they'll be falling behind too much.